Chapter 1: The Unconquered Front. For many years, enterprise blockchain has been seen as the holy grail of crypto, a promise of efficiency, transparency, and trust for the world's largest businesses. But that front largely remains unconquered. Why? Because the solutions offered have been too slow, too complex, or simply not built for the specific needs of B2B today. That is about to change. Welcome back to Hyra Deep Dive. In this crucial 40-minute analysis, we will dive straight into the fierce competition in the B2B blockchain space. We will identify Hyra's direct and indirect competitors, dissect their critical strengths and weaknesses, and reveal why Hyra's unique architecture and recent breakthroughs position it to dominate the enterprise front. Chapter 2: Type 1: Licensed Legacy Competitors. Let's start with the incumbents. Licensed blockchain solutions that have tried to serve enterprises for years. Think Hyperledger Fabric, R3 Corda, or even private versions of Ethereum. Their strengths: built for the old world. Privacy by design. They provide the data privacy and access control enterprises require for sensitive operations. Legal familiarity. Their licensed nature often makes them easier for regulators and corporate legal teams to accept. Existing integrations. Many platforms have built integrations with existing enterprise software. They're critical weaknesses, trapped in a silo. Lack of interoperability. This is their biggest gap. These are often closed, isolated networks. A supply chain built on Fabric cannot easily interact with a financial payment system on Corda. The very problem blockchain was supposed to solve, data silos, is often recreated. Limited network effects. Because they are licensed and often private, they struggle to achieve the strong network effects that public blockchains thrive on. Adoption is slow, costly, and requires all parties to agree to join a specific network. Centralization risks. Again, while decentralized among a few participants, ultimate control often lies with a single consortium or entity, creating single points of failure and censorship risks similar to centralized systems, just on a smaller scale. High barriers to entry for new participants. Onboarding new partners into a licensed network is a cumbersome, bureaucratic process that limits growth. Chapter 3: Type 2: Public L1 and L2 protocols. Next, we have the multi-purpose public Layer 1 and Layer 2 blockchains that enterprises sometimes try to leverage. Think Ethereum, Solana, or even Layer 2s like Polygon. Their strengths: the power of publicness. Decentralization and security. They provide censorship resistance and unparalleled security inherent to public blockchains. Large developer ecosystem. Access to a massive talent pool and tooling. Interoperability within their ecosystem. Strong network effects within their own chains. Their critical weaknesses: not built for enterprise realities. Lack of privacy. Enterprises cannot put sensitive business logic, pricing data, or customer information on a transparent public ledger. That is unacceptable. Scalability and cost for specific workloads. Although L2s have improved this, some enterprise workloads still struggle with the cost and latency of interactions on public chains. Legal uncertainty. Their highly public, permissionless nature often conflicts with strict enterprise regulatory and compliance frameworks. Lack of customization. Enterprises need highly customized solutions tailored to their complex operations, which multi-purpose L1s, L2s cannot easily provide. Chapter 4: Hyra's Dominance, the Hybrid L3 Advantage. This brings us to Hyra's unique position. Hyra is not just competing in the B2B blockchain space, it is redefining it through its hybrid Layer 3 architecture. Hyra's strengths: the best of both worlds and more. Enterprise-grade privacy and customization. Project Chimera. With the recent launch of Project Chimera, enterprises can deploy their own private, permission-heed, fully customized L3s. This gives them absolute data privacy, access control, and bespoke logic they require for sensitive operations. No other blockchain solution offers this level of enterprise-dedicated customization while still anchored to public security. Public chain security and interoperability, inherited from L2. Crucially, these private L3s inherit the security and decentralization of a public L2 and ultimately L1 by posting cryptographic proofs. This is a game changer. Enterprises get the best of both worlds, private operations with public trust. Neat! Easy interoperability, Magellan Bridge and L3s. Unlike isolated legacy competitors, Hyra's architecture is built for interoperability. L3s can communicate with each other and with public L2/L1s. With the launch of the Magellan Bridge to Cosmos, Hyra is clearly positioning itself as a hub for multi-chain enterprise solutions. This means a Hyra L3 for supply chain can seamlessly interact with a Hyra L3 for finance, or even a dApp on Cosmos. Scalability and cost efficiency. L3s are inherently more scalable and cost-efficient for specific applications as they offload significant computational burden from the main L2/L1, addressing a major pain point for enterprises. Train to earn for AI compute, Helios Exchange. Beyond data, Hyra's AI exchange, Helios, offers enterprises verifiable, privacy-preserving AI compute services. This is a unique value proposition unmatched by both legacy competitors and pure public chains. Enterprises can safely run their AI models on a decentralized network, a critical need for heavily regulated industries. Why Hyra dominates? Hyra has created a market segment that neither licensed legacy competitors nor pure public L1/L2s can effectively address. It delivers the best features of both while eliminating their critical weaknesses. It's not just a better mousetrap, it's a completely new approach to enterprise blockchain. Chapter 5. Conclusion. The unconquered front is now open. The B2B blockchain front has long been a challenge. Licensed legacy networks are too siloed. Public L1s and L2s are too transparent and multipurpose. Hyra, with its innovative hybrid L3 architecture combined with AI compute capabilities and growing interoperability, has finally opened this front. It offers enterprises the perfect blend of privacy, security, customization, and seamless connectivity that no existing competitor can provide. This is not just about technology. It's about solving real-world business problems at scale and unlocking trillions of dollars in value. Hyra is not just a player in the B2B blockchain battle. It is rapidly becoming the defining solution. If you found this deep competitive analysis valuable, please hit like and subscribe. In the next video, we will return to the Hyra token itself. Is Hyra undervalued, overvalued, or perfectly priced for its potential? This is an analysis you won't want to miss. Thank you for watching.